Imagine a world where no disease is incurable, no disaster unpreventable, and no problem unsolvable. This is not a fantasy, but a glimpse into a future shaped by artificial intelligence. We stand at the cusp of a new era, an era where the intangible threads of code and algorithm could weave a reality far beyond our wildest dreams. Artificial intelligence, or AI, as it's more commonly known, holds the potential to revolutionize every facet of our existence. From the mundane routines of daily life to the grand challenges that humanity grapples with, AI can be a game changer. Imagine the possibilities: a world where healthcare is personalized, climate change mitigated, education democratized, and cybersecurity enhanced. The potential of AI isn't just significant, it's monumental, with the power to reshape society's very fabric. But how, you may ask? Embark on this journey as we explore the 9 ways AI could save humanity. At number 9, we have AI's potential to revolutionize healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases are detected even before symptoms appear. Artificial intelligence is making this possible by improving diagnosis. It's transforming radiology, interpreting scans with a precision that rivals and often surpasses human experts. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also reshaping treatment strategies. Through vast data analysis, AI can suggest personalized medicine, fine-tuned to an individual's unique genetic makeup. This is not merely treating symptoms, but addressing root causes. And when it comes to disease management, AI is a game changer as well. By monitoring real-time health data, AI can alert us to potential health issues before they become critical. It can even suggest lifestyle changes to prevent diseases from taking hold. From early detection to personalized treatment and proactive management, AI is poised to bring about a paradigm shift in healthcare. With AI, a healthier future is within our grasp. Coming in at number 8 is AI's role in mitigating climate change. This is no small feat, mind you. Imagine a world where our carbon footprint shrinks, not by mere fractions, but exponentially. This is the world that AI promises. Artificial intelligence has the capability to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. It's like a master chess player, always thinking a few moves ahead, able to foresee and counteract damaging environmental effects before they happen. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, spotting trends and making predictions that help us manage our resources more efficiently. But that's not all. AI can optimize energy use across industries, from manufacturing to transportation. It's like having a super efficient energy manager, ensuring we're not wasting a single kilowatt of energy. Lastly, AI can predict climate patterns with uncanny accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball, giving us the chance to prepare and adapt to changing weather conditions. AI could be our best weapon in the battle against climate change. At number 7, we have AI's potential to improve education. Artificial intelligence is opening doors to personalized learning, tailoring educational content to individual needs and pacing. It's also breaking down geographical barriers, providing global access to quality education, irrespective of location. Moreover, AI is enhancing the learning experience, making it more interactive and immersive. It's not just about learning more, but learning better. With AI, we're embarking on an era of education where nobody is left behind. Number 6 spot is claimed by AI's role in enhancing cybersecurity. The digital world is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it opens up endless possibilities. On the other, it exposes us to new forms of threats. Enter artificial intelligence, our digital knight. It can detect and prevent cyber threats in real time, making our digital interactions safer. From securing our online banking to safeguarding national security, AI is tirelessly working to secure our digital world. In the digital age, AI is our shield. Now we've reached the top 5 ways AI could save humanity. At number 5, we have AI's role in poverty reduction. It's no secret that poverty is a pervasive issue, yet with the help of AI, we can develop more effective strategies to fight it. Through data analysis, AI can identify patterns and trends, helping us understand the root causes of poverty and how to address them. It can guide policy creation, ensuring resources are directed where they're needed most. AI can indeed be a game changer in the battle against poverty, driving us towards a world where no one is left behind. Next, at number 4, we have AI's potential in disaster prediction and management. From hurricanes to earthquakes, natural disasters can cause devastating loss of life and property. But what if we could predict these disasters before they happen? AI's predictive capabilities can help us do just that. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can forecast potential disasters, giving us invaluable time to prepare and respond. Moreover, AI can assist in post-disaster relief, optimizing rescue operations and ensuring help reaches those who need it most. Coming in at number 3 is AI's contribution to food security. With a growing global population, ensuring everyone has enough to eat is a pressing concern. AI can help us meet this challenge head-on. It can optimize farming practices, increasing crop yields while minimizing resource use. From predicting weather patterns to monitoring soil health, AI can revolutionize agriculture, making our food systems more resilient and sustainable. At the penultimate spot, number 2, we have AI and space exploration. The final frontier holds many mysteries, and AI could be the key to unlocking them. It can analyze cosmic data faster than any human, uncovering insights about our universe. AI can also guide space missions, navigating the vastness of space with precision. It can even help us search for extraterrestrial life, scanning the cosmos for signs we may overlook. And finally, at the top spot, AI's potential to foster peace takes center stage. Conflicts and wars have long plagued humanity, but AI could help us chart a more peaceful course. By analyzing historical data, AI can predict potential flashpoints, giving us the chance to intervene before violence erupts. It can also facilitate diplomatic negotiations, providing unbiased insights to help resolve disputes. In the realm of peacekeeping, AI could truly be a game changer, guiding us towards a world where harmony prevails. From the depths of the oceans to the farthest stars, AI holds the key to a brighter future for all. There you have it, the 9 ways AI could save humanity, from revolutionizing healthcare to mitigating climate change, improving education, enhancing cybersecurity, and our top 5. Each point illustrates the boundless potential of AI. This is not a distant future, but an era we're stepping into. Let's embrace AI and together shape a better world. Before you go, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and activate the notifications bell so you won't miss any of our future explorations into the world of AI. Thanks, and see you in the next video.